How to download Replit on desktop. Want to download and install Replit app on desktop? Here's how to do it with no hassle. First, open your browser and type in Replit download in the search bar right here. Now tap on the official site. Once you tap on it, you will see the download option. There will be various options like download for Mac, Windows, and others. Tap on the one you prefer. Once the file is downloaded, tap on it to begin the installation. Follow the on-screen prompts and tap on install. What's your favorite coding language to use on Replit? Drop it in the comments below. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.